Beginning a diet to lose weight and improve health is a worthy goal, but it can be a bit overwhelming. There are bound to be challenges whenever you start something new, especially when it involves something you do several times each day, like eating and drinking. Today, we will check out 7 best diet plans to lose weight fast. Number 7. Plant-based diet. Think of plant-based as a broad category of diets, with other more specific diets falling under its umbrella. For example, the Mediterranean diet is a version of a plant-based diet because even though it incorporates fish and poultry, the emphasis is on plant-based foods. Vegetarian and vegan diets are also plant-based. Whole30, a popular diet and lifestyle plan, doesn't usually qualify. The Whole30 diet traditionally is heavier on animal proteins, though it is possible to follow this diet in a plant-based way. Plant-based diets consist mostly of foods derived from plants such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and legumes. Animal products are also sometimes included in small amounts, including meat, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy. Several studies have concluded that following a plant-based diet could be an effective strategy for helping reduce body fat. One review found that people who followed a plant-based diet experienced less weight gain over 4 years than those who followed other diets. Additionally, eating more fruits and vegetables, both of which are key components to a plant-based diet, has also been linked to an increased weight loss and decreased belly fat. Not only that, but some research in women found that eating more fruits and vegetables may be tied to a lower risk of obesity and weight gain. For more information about following a plant-based diet, check out The Plant-Based Diet for Beginners by Alice Newman. A vegan diet is one that contains foods that are not made from or derived from animals. It consists of fruits, vegetables, grains, tubers, legumes, herbs, salads, nuts, and seeds, but this way of eating is much more than the sum of its parts. Yes, these plants can be eaten raw or cooked quite simply, or they can be turned into family favorites like lasagna and pizza, or turned into junk food like deep-fried chicken or indulgent cakes. All of these are vegan, but not all are healthy. There are many good reasons to adopt a vegan diet. It requires no factory farms or slaughterhouses, and so spares billions of animals appalling suffering. It is kinder to the planet, and it needs less land and therefore removes one of the biggest drivers of deforestation. It reduces water and air pollution, and it emits far fewer climate-changing emissions than animal products. For all these reasons and more, Oxford University researchers conclude that being vegan is the single biggest thing we can do to help the planet. Plus, a vegan diet is associated with many important health benefits, including reduced rates of heart disease, hypertension, obesity, type 2 diabetes, and some cancers. Pretty impressive, hey? Number 6. Low-carb diet. Low-carb diets involve limiting the consumption of added sugars and foods high in carbohydrates, such as grains and starches. Although there are various types of low-carb diets available, most restrict carb consumption to less than 26% of your total daily calories. A review of 17 studies found that low-carb diets were more effective for short-term weight loss than low-fat diets, although the difference between the two slowly decreased over time. Some research suggests that low-carb diets could increase the number of calories that your body burns throughout the day, which may help support some weight loss. What's more, other studies have found that low-carb diets may offer other benefits specifically for women, including improvements in hormone levels and menstrual regularity. However, keep in mind that very low-carb diets may not be a good fit for everyone, especially women with certain medical conditions or those who are pregnant or breastfeeding. If you find that a very low-carb diet is too restrictive or difficult to follow, you may want to consider trying a moderately low-carb diet instead. For a more in-depth look at the benefits of low-carb diets, consider reading The Art and Science of Low-Carbohydrate Living by Jeff S. Volek and Stephen D. Finney. Number 5. WW Weight Watchers. Weight Watchers is a popular weight loss system originally founded in the 1960s. It uses a points-based system which assigns foods a certain number of smart points based on their nutritional value and gives users a daily budget of points to spend per day. It also encourages regular physical activity with various workout guides specifically for women and offers options like group workshops and personal coaching for an additional fee. Plus, it helps teach you how to make healthier food choices, so it may be a good fit for women seeking long-term sustainable weight loss. Many studies have found that WW may be effective for weight loss. One large review of 39 studies found that people who used Weight Watchers for 1 year lost 2.6% more body weight than the control group. Similarly, another study showed that people who followed Weight Watchers for 1 year lost over twice as much weight as those who received a self-help booklet and 5 minutes of general nutrition advice. Not only that, but they also maintained a greater amount of overall weight loss than the control group, even after 2 years. Number 4. DASH diet. The dietary approaches to stop hypertension, DASH diet, is an eating plan designed to help lower blood pressure levels. The diet encourages eating fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources, while red meats and foods higher in added sugar or salt are limited. Not only has the DASH diet been shown to improve heart health, but some research suggests that it may help facilitate weight loss as well. One study in 293 female nurses found that greater adherence to the DASH diet was associated with a lower risk of obesity and excess belly fat. A review of 13 studies also showed that people following the DASH diet lost significantly more body weight and belly fat than a control group after 24 weeks. In another study, older adults who followed a low-calorie DASH diet for 12 weeks experienced a 6.3% reduction in body weight and a 2.5% decrease in body fat percentage. You can also read more about the DASH diet in The Complete DASH Diet for Beginners by Jennifer Koslow. Number 3. Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet continues to prove itself as one of the healthiest ways to eat. In 2020, it was voted the best diet for the 3rd year in a row by U.S. News & World Report. The Mediterranean diet is more of a healthy eating lifestyle than a restrictive diet. It emphasizes a wide variety of fruits and vegetables, as well as regularly eating fish, nuts, and other foods with healthy fats while limiting processed foods, red meats in excess, and refined grains, like white bread. Plus, it recognizes the often undervalued health benefit of eating more mindfully. Although our schedules can often be busy, taking time to cook a meal at home and sit down to enjoy it rather than eating on the move or in front of the television can have hidden benefits. When we eat without distractions and make the meal more of an event, we tend to be more in tune with our hunger cues and take in fewer calories than when we eat while distracted. Based on the traditional diets of countries like Spain, Greece, and Italy, the Mediterranean diet is often considered one of the healthiest eating patterns. The diet involves eating lots of fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and healthy fats like olive oil. As part of this diet, processed foods, sugar-sweetened beverages, red meat, and refined grains should be limited. Several studies have found that the Mediterranean diet could help boost weight loss for women. For example, one large study in over 32,000 people showed that greater adherence to the Mediterranean diet was tied to a lower risk of obesity and belly fat. Another study in 565 people found that following the diet more closely was associated with a 2-fold increase in the likelihood of weight loss maintenance. What's more, one study in 248 women showed that following the Mediterranean diet was linked to having lower body fat levels. Number 2. Jenny Craig. Jenny Craig is a program that helps simplify weight loss by providing fully prepared meals and snacks. Plus, certain plans offer individual coaching with a Jenny Craig consultant to help you stay on track and reach your goals. Several studies have found that Jenny Craig could be an effective choice for weight loss. In fact, one review of 39 studies reported that people who used Jenny Craig for 12 months experienced 4.9% greater weight loss, compared to those who received brief counseling or printed education materials. In another small study, women who followed Jenny Craig lost an average of 11.8 pounds, 5.3 kilograms over 12 weeks. Number 1. Noom. Noom is a mobile app that helps users build healthy habits to support long-lasting, sustainable weight loss. Although no foods are off limits with Noom, the program focuses on foods low in calories but high in nutrients, such as fruits and vegetables. The app also offers support from a virtual health coach, access to an extensive library of nutritious recipes, and tools to help log and track your progress. According to one study in nearly 36,000 people, approximately 78% of participants experience weight loss while using Noom, over an average period of 9 months. Another small study showed that women who used a virtual coaching program like Noom for 8 weeks experienced significant weight loss and improvements in behaviors like emotional eating. Plus, Noom encourages members to eat mostly foods with a low calorie density, which has been shown to support both weight loss and fat loss. Do let us know in the comments if you've tried any of these diets. Please subscribe to The Health Awareness. Thank you for watching.